Only watch this video if you tried it out yourself first in Excel. You're not going to learn Excel by watching videos. You learn Excel by actually trying it out in Excel. We're going to have a look at nested functions. So what are nested functions? Nested functions are functions within another function. So here we're applying the average function to three values. The first one, which is count, the second one, sum, and the third one, median. So they're functions within another function. Let's try out the first one. There's by the way, there's an added difficulty here. That's the functions. We have to apply it in a different sheet. So we need to take the average. I'm going to hit tab now. Of the dog breeds that are over 60 pounds and with an obedience below 1. So we need to do COUNTIF. Twice a COUNTIF, and that's what we're going to take the average of. The first COUNTIF, the range, so they both are in COUNTIFs 2, the sheet COUNTIFs 2. It's over here. So the weight is over 60. Yes. That's the first COUNTIF. That's the first number we're going to take the average from. And the second one is COUNTIF, where this is the range and the obedience is smaller than 1. Right? Okay. That's the second COUNTIF. It seems something's wrong or not. No, it's not, because I didn't see the colors in the parentheses, but everything looked fine. So again, what we did here is we calculated the average of two numbers. This is the first number, and this is the second number. Okay. Now a difficult one. We want to know how many employees work in the department with most employees. So to know the amount of employees of all departments at once, there's a trick we can do in the part where it says criteria. I will show you. So we're going to count how many employees there are. So we're going to do COUNTIF. COUNTIF 3, that's where we're going to find the information. So first we're going to select the range. The range is where the departments are, right? Now, if I go back to nested functions, you will see that this changes. Yeah. Now it changes to SUMIF3, and now it changes to nested functions. We want it to stay there in SUMIF3. The way to make it stay there is just to add the comma and to move on to the next part, to the next argument. So we've selected the range and the criteria now as a criteria. Instead of selecting one criteria, we're going to select the 6 of them. And what you see is that automatically it shows these 6 numbers. Now, we don't want those 6 numbers. We want the highest of all of these 6 numbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this formula. And we're going to add max in front of it. So now what Excel is going to do is it's going to take the highest value of these 6 numbers.